Hey guys, I'm back. I know it's been a while, but finally here back to give you my beard journey update. It's been a while and I apologize. I haven't been too consistent with my videos and showing you guys my progress so far. Y'all know how it is when you got a full-time job and you're trying to do a little side hustle and do this and that and pay these bills. This is not easy. I'm trying to do my thing, but anywho, I believe that last time I did my beard progress video, I was at like week 1 or 3. So I guess we can call it 3 and 4 right now. That's the journey we're at. The good thing is I can tell you is I've been taking care of my beard and been growing it well. It's been coming back pretty successfully, I could say, I like it. So while I've noticed that my beard is growing slightly more full, which is I'm pretty excited about, might I add, it's been a little bit challenging growing hair around my mouth for the little goatee that's popular now. But some more hairs have been trying to come around, looks a little bit slowly, coming here and there. Surely, I still been using my Evan Alexander products on my beard to help the health of it and for it to get a little bit bigger and fuller, that give it that bigger look and setting it up for the great deal also. Using the oils every morning and night, the hydration and whatnot, definitely. I wash it about 2 to 3 times a week using the wash. And now I've also included the beard scrub in it. The beard scrub is really good because it gets all up in there, gets those details out, making sure that it is definitely clean. You want to make sure your beard is super clean and healthy to be able to grow, because when it gets thicker and longer, you want it to be not so much nasty debris to be stuck up in there. Along with using like different tools, I'm staying back on track to make sure that my beard is going to be a lot thicker. Within the next week or 2, I'll be back to give you guys a little bit more details of an update about things I've been using. So stay tuned for sure.